The All Progressives Congress and the Osun State House of Assembly has tackled the new Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke over the 6 executive orders he signed on Monday. They condemned the new governor for reversing some appointments and job recruitments made by his predecessor, Gboyega Oyetola. In his first official action as governor, Adeleke, who was elected under the PDP platform, announced the sacking of alleged 12,000 workers employed by his predecessors. Adeleke, during his inauguration on Sunday, November 27, 2022, reversed the name of the state from State of Osun to Osun State, and also reversed its appellation from the State of the Virtues to the State of the Living Spring. Meanwhile, outgoing Osun Governor Gboyega Oyetola has bid the state farewell as his 4-year tenure ends November 27, 2022. In a farewell message released, Oyetola said he would be stepping aside as a law-abiding citizen, adding that the outcome of the Osun governorship election that produced Ademola Adeleke was still being challenged in court. Oyetola also said he looked forward to continue governing Osun again as he anticipated victory from court. The ruling APC has exonerated the administration of the president for the poverty level of over 133 million Nigerians. This clarification was made by the APC Director of Publicity, Bala Ibrahim. He stated that he could not dispute the recent statistics released by the National Bureau of Statistics. Ibrahim fingered the opposition PDP for plunging the nation into a sorry state as a result of bad governance. The Independent National Electoral Commission has lamented on the incessant attacks on its local government offices across the states. This was as the Commission said that though it will recover losses from the attacks, but it will not condone rising attacks on its facilities. The INEC chairman, Mahmoud Yakubu, stated this during the visit of African Union Special Pre-Electoral Political Mission to the Commission. Mr. Frank Shaibu, the Special Assistant on Public Communications to the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, has asked the All Progressives Congress to replace its presidential candidate, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, to evade more embarrassment to the party. Shaibu stated this following a gaffe Tinubu allegedly committed at the Lagos rally, where he mispronounced Permanent Voters Card (PVC) as APV. Civil rights advocacy group Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria has told President Buhari to free the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Huriwa's national coordinator Emmanuel Onwubiko, in a statement, challenged the president to be a man of his words by leaving the judiciary to decide on Kanu's fate without any political interference or vendetta. What do you think of Adeleke's act?